Alrighty guys, we'll give a quick little review of the IPO tomorrow, Circle. So this is a short version. I have a longer version on my channel if you want to check it out, but without further ado, let's go. Circle is a pure play cryptocurrency stock, and it's based on the cryptocurrency USDC, which is the second largest stablecoin in the world, following USDT, which is Tether. You guys know Tether. And essentially these stablecoins are pegged to the US dollar. So let's say you have Zimbabwe currency and you're in this hyperinflation, and which is like it's over 1,000% per year, guys. Why put your money in that stuff when you go buy USDC, for example, guys, and have a stable essentially US dollar-backed cryptocurrency? So that's the value of it, guys. There's more complications to that. They did try to go IPO about 3 years ago in the form of a SPAC. I think the SEC didn't like it. They asked for too much auditing stuff, and then the time frame, because the SPACs always have a predetermined time frame they have to close it, and they just couldn't get it closed in time, so it never went public at the time. But what I will say is, in that time, USDC's dominance has increased. It has about $6.8 billion in assets under management. So basically, there's $6.8 billion worth of USDC circulating in the market, and they do trillions of dollars worth of transactions on an annual basis. So it's a very, very good company. You know, they have a lot more auditing done than their USDT partners, which USDT is a little bit more sketchy, I'm not going to lie. So it's nice to see that USDC, Circle, does a good job. American base, which is a nice little bonus as well. The IPO is offering about 32 million shares. The float's about 240 shares in total, 240 million shares. So I like the float, guys. The float's pretty good. Apparently, the IPO has been oversubscribed, guys. Apparently, 25 times oversubscription. So it's not just me thinking that this is going to go to the moon, guys. I think other people are too. So that's very good news. BlackRock has intention to buy up to 10% of the company with the IPO tomorrow. You have JP Morgan and BlackRock, and then and State Street. They're all helping with the underwriting of the IPO, which is a very good sign and shows some legitimacy in the marketplace, which is very, very good to see as well. You know, so 10% stake by BlackRock potentially starting tomorrow. You have, you know, American-based company. You know, the original IPO price is going to be 25 to 26, but because of the 25x multiple, it's now 27 to 28 dollars per share, which just shows you how oversubscribed this is. And I am very excited for this thing, guys. You know, this is going to be a short, so it has to be under 3 minutes, guys. So in short, I think it's going to be a great stock, guys. I do think it's going to blow up. You know, I will say the 50% market share they have to give up in terms of Coinbase revenue, and then Robinhood revenue. They give Coinbase 50%, Robinhood 50%. Not the best, but overall, they'll figure it out. I love this company. Thank you and bye.